Okay, everybody, welcome to CCTV Tradie's YouTube channel. Today we are going to set up a 4 TB hard drive for Hanwha 8-channel recorder. So to start with, we got one Hanwha QRN 830S recorder, and we have a 4 TB hard drive which we're trying to set up on this recorder. So as a today we take this as an example, but any recorder, when you set up a hard drive, this is a pretty much simply, this is the only way to do it. So how we do it today is, as you can see, so we try to take it nice and easy. So we got all the necessary cables here, and the manual here, SATA cable and the power and everything, and that's what it is. And here we got main power cable and the power adapter here, all the mouse and the power adapter which goes along with that. So we'll keep it aside one by one, and we don't need the mouse for the time being. We probably will need these two, and I'll keep them aside. And that's the recorder on its own. So I'll take the box away and take these two away as well. Now, that's a wisenet recorder, 8-channel, and it has 8 ports, PoE switch, and it's a LAN port, and that's for the HDMI cable, and there's a power. So what we do today is, let me grab my drill. Okay, so okay, 2 screws here. So that's the main recorder after I open it, and we have in here the screws which goes for the hard drive. So what we'll do is take these screws and the SATA cable, okay. What I'll do now, generally the hard drive doesn't come like that, it comes with the cover, which I will going to show you what it normally looks like. When you purchase a hard drive, standard hard drive is in a polythene cover, it's covered, and so actually I have opened the hard drive, so just to show you, make it easy for everybody. So that's what it looks like, and that's what once it's open. So I've got the 4 screws here which can go into the back of the hard drive. The cables goes at the back of the hard drive. It sits like that. It goes into this and secures nicely. And what you can do is put the hard drive in here. Turn it around. Get the right position. Now we're in the right position now. So keep it here and put your screws in there. You got to be very careful when you screw them in, because if you are using the power tool, you got to go very slow. Otherwise, what happens is you're going to stop the threads. So otherwise, if you use a normal screwdriver, you can always easily screw them in. So the last bit, you got to make sure that you're not going to go too hard on it if you're using a power tool. Okay, once the job is done, turn it on, and this goes in here. And the one goes in here. Once you've done that, the rest is pretty straightforward. Put the cover back. Job is done now, so put the cover back. And when you do an installation, and this is how you install the hard drive to the recorder. So, and pretty much when we post hard drives, unless otherwise customer specifically requests us to install the hard drive, we normally send the hard drive and the recorder separately, so that once you receive them, you can do it yourself whichever way you want to. Normally that's the standard way of practice how to do it. So, and if you're happy with the YouTube clip, and if you want to purchase any Hanwha or any other products, maybe Uniview, Dahua, Hikvision, you can visit CCTV Tradie, and all the products and all the details of products, it's available in our website. Thanks once again visiting us, and please subscribe us on CCTV Tradie. Thank you.